everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup and skincare on this channel. Today I am going to review this Dot and Key PHA and Bakuchiol exfoliating serum, or it says as Daily Pale Resurfacing Milk Serum. So this is the outer packaging, which is a cardboard packaging and has a magnetic opening. So I like the changes they have made in the packaging, because beforehand the packaging used to get teared, but I like this magnetic thing. But I am going to throw it away. You can understand what is the use of this magnet. This is the inner packaging. Is a plastic bottle. It has a dropper dispenser, which I like quite a lot. And yeah, this is a kind of transparent bottle. It has used gluconolactone as their PHA. PHA is actually a big sugar molecule which does not penetrate the top layer of our skin, and that is why it only exfoliates the top layer of our skin, just like an AHA but in a very milder way. And the bakuchiol in it is a potent antioxidant, and that is why it can protect our skin from aging and fine lines. That is why we can say that bakuchiol is a natural alternative to retinol. It is not a derivative of vitamin A. PHA has a property of humectant, like it attracts water molecules and keep it on the surface of our face. So it as well as exfoliating, it also helps in some way in anti-aging. So that's a plus point of this serum. It is priced at $9.95, and for that price point you get 30 ml of product quantity, which is just like other products or other serums, and I think it's a decent amount, but the price point is a little bit high. As you can see, it has white color and it is milky in consistency. Let me show you at the back of my hand. So it has this kind of consistency and gets absorbed very quickly. In the back of the packaging, they say you can keep it on your face for the whole night and you can top it up with some moisturizer. But when I started using it, my skin is super duper sensitive, and when I used it, after an hour or so, my skin started tingling and I felt some irritation on my skin. That is why I washed it off for the first day, and after that I never kept it for more than an hour. Please do not use it daily. I don't think we need an exfoliating serum daily. I used it like for the testing purpose in a gap of 2 days. This serum has a very light and sweet fragrance. I personally don't have any problem with mild fragrances. If you have allergy towards the fragrances, you may check out before you are actually buying this. If you are like me, very sensitive, I would like to suggest you not to use it more than 45 minutes, and in my opinion 45 minutes is more than enough, because generally we don't use any like AHA or BHA serum more than 10 minutes. Even 2-3 minutes is more than enough for a BHA or AHA serum. I know PHA or polyhydroxy acid is a very mild exfoliator, but still I don't know, I don't think I should use it daily, because I don't need exfoliation daily. And for the anti-aging purpose, I do have other options like vitamin C. If you are above 30, you have retinol. But to be honest, this is actually a good exfoliating serum. After using this in the morning, I felt like my skin texture has smoothened out a little bit, and not like BHA, which takes out all the gums from the deepest pores of your face and you get a bump free face in the next morning. It is not like that, but the overall texture of your skin smoothens out and it looks glowy and fresh. Okay, that is what I felt with this. So to sum up my experience, I would say that this is a mild exfoliator, definitely is a good one, and I will recommend it to you guys. I will not recommend you to use it for more than like 45 minutes or so. As they say, it is a leave-on serum. I tried it and I thought that it is not working in that way. But yeah, overall I liked it as an exfoliating serum, and I don't know about the like skin tightening or fine line decreasing properties of this, because I don't know, only for 45 minutes is bakuchiol is going to work like that. As the research papers I have read this far on bakuchiol, they say that this can work really well along with the retinol, but only bakuchiol is not that effective. And on my face I do not have a lot of fine lines, so my face is not like a proper testing field for the working part of bakuchiol. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.